Hello, fellow RVers. This is Gary and Sharon with Ruff RV Life. We are in Max Meadows, Virginia. Fort Chiswell RV Park. Good Sam Park. First time we've been here. So we're going to go see what this is about.
Please check in at the office. Go straight ahead. It's not this?
I don't think it's that.
No. Okay.
I think it's up there, right?
We're never quite sure where
Where all those stop signs are.
Yeah, right up there. Okay. Sorry, I was looking at a cute little dog over there.
Yeah, these are open and these are feed. Of course, these got pads and these don't.
We have a standard site. Stop here. Okay, let's go check in.
Here we are at Fort Chiswell RV Park. It's right off of I-81, close to Max Meadows, Virginia, which is also fairly close to Whitfield, Virginia. It's a private park. And when you come in here, they give you a site.
You are assigned a site here, but all the sites have plenty of room. You're not right on top of your neighbor's sewer hose. Thank you, Fort Chiswell RV Park, for that.
Now our site is gravel with grass. We have a picnic table here. It's a pretty level site, and we do have water. We have 30-50 amp service. We have sewer. We have cable hookup, and they have a Wi-Fi system here at the park. They also have a camp store over here.
And an arcade.
And they also have laundry facilities, restrooms. But this is a full service site, so it does have sewer. And they're pull-through sites. Very nice. We got some trees. Roomy, no problem with space here at all.
No, and it's very convenient to Interstate 77 and Interstate 81.
Right.
They're just right over there, but you don't hear them here because of the hills.
We do have two ponds back there that do have some big, I don't know, I guess you call them goldfish or koi or carp, you know, those multicolored golden fish in there. They're pretty big. I believe there's also some bass in there, some catfish and some other stuff. You can fish in the two ponds if you choose to. And right back there also is a nice big place to walk your dog. They call it the dog walking place.
The pet walk.
The pet walk, yeah.
Dog walking place. It has a creek with a couple of bridges, and you can see all around here, the hills have sheep and cows and birds, and I saw ducks and some creature that I don't know what it was in the creek, and a bunny rabbit. So lots to see around here.
Now our T-Mobile service was pretty good. Verizon service was pretty good. We did not set up our Starlink here because T-Mobile was working fine.
Didn't need it.
Now if you leave the park and you make a left, you go up about 3 or 4 miles, there is a Family Dollar. If you need some stuff like Family Dollar type stuff. And if you leave the park and you go to the right, there's a laundromat, 2 minutes right up the road. They do have laundry here, but there's a full service laundromat up the road there.
If you need more.
Yes, there's a Mexican restaurant there called Cinco de Mayo. And then there's several truck stops where you can buy fuel. There's a Denny's, there's a Burger King, McDonald's, there's a Circle K with diesel there, Flying J. So there's lots of little stores right up the road there. Now, if you go on I-81 and you travel up about 10 miles, 10, 12 miles, you'll come to the city of Whitfield, and it's big enough. There's everything up there from restaurants to Lowe's to Walmart Supercenter and all kind of things up there for your shopping pleasure.
Yes.
The people here are very nice and friendly. Like I said, it's a privately owned park. They also have a swimming pool here that's heated,
Yes.
which is pretty nice.
It's been quite a peaceful stay here, although I haven't been here the whole time.
No, she's been out doing some hiking. I've been here the whole time, and I've enjoyed my stay here.
Yeah.
I would come here again.
So for any of you hikers out there that are wanting to get close to the Appalachian Trail, it is just a 30-minute drive down the road, and you can get off and hike to your heart's content. I did for 8 days. Really, it ended up being like 10, right?
Yeah,
like
it
that.
was a lot. Yeah.
But 80 miles. There's other places you can hike. You can hike at the New River Park. I'm not sure I got that name right. I'll put it down below here. And there's also an animal park here, and you can take a safari bus tour. And there's a winery nearby, and there's another place you can go to do hiking and biking. So there's some recreation in the area, and I'll put specifically what those places are down in the notes. But it's also just a nice, peaceful place to chillax and watch the sheep. The sheep are over here now, so you can see them around the different hills that surround this park.
Sheep and cows.
And cows, yeah, and the babies with their babies.
And maybe an occasional bunny rabbit for your dog's chasing pleasure.
And lots of birds and lots of fireflies. Also for your dog's chasing pleasure.
If your dogs like chasing fireflies.
So we have really enjoyed our stay here. This is a Good Sam park. So if you have a Good Sam, if you're a member of the Good Sam Club, then you get that discount here.
Yes. This is a Virginia private park. We've been to some Virginia state parks, and we like Virginia. Virginia is a very nice state to be in. Have you ever been to Virginia? You like parks in Virginia?
Recommend your favorite park.
Let us know which ones to go to.
Yes. Yeah.
We're leaving Virginia. We're going to West Virginia. We're going to try some of those. We're going to sign off now from Fort Chiswell RV Park here in Virginia. We like looking at freedom. We do hope to see you on the road someday. Safe travels. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.